In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logos to all slides in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive straight into it. Having a logo on each slide not only helps maintain brand consistency, but also gives your presentation a professional touch. So let's get started. First, we need to open the master view. To do this, navigate to the top navigation panel and click on the View tab. You'll see a few options here, and you want to click on Slide Master. This view is quite powerful because it allows you to make changes that affect your entire presentation all at once, instead of having to apply changes to each individual slide. Once you're in the Slide Master, you'll see a column on the left side with several slide layouts. Step 2 is to select the master slide. Look for the main, larger master slide at the top of this column. This is crucial because placing your logo here means it will automatically appear on all secondary layout designs used throughout your slides. It's a real time saver. Now we move on to step 3, inserting and positioning your logo. Click on the Insert tab at the top. From here, look for the option that says Pictures. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear, and you want to select this device. This allows you to browse your files and upload the logo you want to use. Once your logo appears on the master slide, you might need to scale it down to fit your design. You can do this by dragging the corners of the image. Now, take a moment to position your logo where you want it to appear on the slides. The top right corner is a popular choice, but the bottom left works well too. Choose whichever option best fits your design aesthetics. After you've placed and adjusted your logo, the next step is to exit the master view. Locate the Slide Master tab again at the top and click on the red Close Master View button. This sends you back to the normal slide view where you can see your logo beautifully displayed across every slide in your presentation. And there you have it. You've now successfully added your logo to all slides in PowerPoint. It's as simple as that. Remember, utilizing the Master Slide feature can streamline your design process and save you a lot of time, especially if you have a lengthy presentation to prepare. If you follow these steps, your presentation will not only look cohesive, but also reflect your brand identity seamlessly. Make sure to play around with different placements and sizes of the logo until you find what looks best for your specific